Hi, welcome to Manage Print Solution. In this video, I am going to show you how to resolve the error 0x00011b. While installing the printer driver from the shared print server, after updating the Windows, you need to change the settings in print server. Open the registry settings, navigate to HKey local machine, system, CurrentControlSet, control, print. In the print, right click, new, key, enter the new key RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. So right click, new, DWORD and enter the value DWORD. So here the value data by default will be 0 and press OK. Next thing, you need to restart the print spooler. Go to run, type services.msc, search for print spooler, right click, restart. So once the services is restarted, you can install the printer driver, so it will be successful. Thank you for watching Manage Print Solutions.